Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we're going to discuss about 5 points. The first point will be the welcome note dedicated to all of you. The second point will be the reason behind starting this YouTube channel. The third point will be the introduction about myself. The fourth point will be the key points that the person should keep in mind before entering into the stock market. The last point, but the most important point, is the plan of action. So, I welcome you all to become the part of my family. Thank you for joining me here, and I'm sure my channel will help you in learning about the technical analysis. If someone really wants to be a trader, he or she is highly recommended to have the knowledge of technical analysis, and I hope I will help you in becoming a profitable trader one day. I want to tell you one thing that my prime motive to start this channel is that I want to create a community where no one should depend on anyone to take a trade. Generally, what happens whenever a newbie enters into the stock market, he doesn't know where to start. तो वो करता क्या है? He will start looking for some videos in YouTube, जहाँ पर उसको पता लगता है कुछ पेड कम्युनिटीज़, पेड टेलीग्राम चैनल्स होते हैं जहाँ पर मंथली पे करके ट्रेड लिया जा सकता है. तो वो लोग उनको बताते हैं कि आपको यहाँ पर बाय करना है, यहाँ पर सेल करना है. In a shorter period of time, it will be okay. But what about the longer period of time? Suppose in future वो कम्युनिटी रही नहीं, उस बंदे ने कॉस्ट देना बंद कर दिया, then what will you do? By that time, you will be completely dependent on that community. And I really don't want that. Because मैं भी उस चीज़ों से गुजरा हूँ, तभी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वो चीज़ें. Our prime focus should be on learning the things, learning about the technical analysis. पैसा कमाना is secondary. You should focus on learning first. So, before starting our YouTube journey, let me introduce myself. I am a civil engineer by profession, but right now I am a full-time trader. In the year 2013, I had completed my bachelor's in civil engineering and worked for 5 years in 3 different companies. Then in the year 2018, I decided to go for post-graduation. While I was pursuing my post-graduation, I had started reading about the financial market, capital market, which led me to the stock market. It was really fascinating for me. I found the stock market very interesting. I wanted to learn about it. So I started talking to my seniors, my friends, colleagues about it. But no one has that kind of knowledge, about stock market at that moment of time. I didn't have any other choice rather than looking for videos on YouTube. But the content on YouTube is so vast that it can confuse you definitely. And there is one reality of YouTube is that everyone is not a trader there. They are just sharing their knowledges. And if you really want to become a trader, you should learn from a trader only. As a trader can only explain you about the psychology. एक ट्रेडर ही आपको बता सकता है कि भाई ड्यूरिंग ट्रेडिंग आवर्स या जब आपने कोई ट्रेड लिया होता है तो आपकी साइकोलॉजी क्या होती है या क्या रखनी चाहिए. साइकोलॉजी इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन ट्रेडिंग. जब भी कोई पहली बार स्टॉक मार्केट में आता है, दे गेट फैसिनेटेड बाय द प्रॉफिट्स शोन बाय सम पीपल. उनको लगता है बहुत ईजी है पैसा कमाना. और स्टार्टिंग में तो होता है कुछ लोग पेड कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं जहाँ पर उनको बताया जाता है कि यहाँ आपको बाय करना है, यहाँ सेल करना है. हाँ ठीक है, शॉर्ट टर्म ऑफ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में वो पैसा कमा भी लेंगे, लेकिन उस पैसे को सस्टेन करना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. जब आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो पैसा कमाना कैसे है तो आप उसको सस्टेन करना भी नहीं सीख पाओगे. ट्रेडिंग इज़ नॉट एट ऑल ईजी. इट इज़ सिंपल बट इट इज़ नॉट ईजी. इट इज़ अ प्रॉपर बिजनेस. ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें आपका कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं है. आपका कॉम्पिटिटर आप खुद हो. आपको खुद को कंट्रोल करना है. यू नीड टू गिव टाइम टू लर्न अबाउट इट. You need to do the researches. You need to do the back testing. Basically, it is the combination of hard work, continuous learning, psychology, and the most important part is discipline. Therefore, I will request everyone to learn the basics of technical analysis before entering into the stock market or before putting your hard-earned money into the stock market. I'm planning to start a technical analysis series from a very basic level so that even a beginner can understand. I'll try to make it very basic, very simple. Let's see how it goes. And the last thing is, if you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.